Sana, we are about to talk about some serious allegations. If you are a lawyer, if you've ever walked past UNISA, if you have touched the hem of the garment of someone who has an LLB, if you've ever Googled anything about law and order, this is even I will use my degree, the part of the labor law practicing. It was going to come in play because we need to protect management at all costs. We can't get a lawsuit. We are going to talk about big things right now. Very dangerous things. Gian amukela kunkqubo yami bomuntu abakajayati bomuntu abakagogo bomuntu abaka-anti bomuntu abaka-sissy. I am Sims and it's at Sims Right Reviews on social media. I'm very active on TikTok and Facebook. I've lost my Instagram account right now, so I can't even say follow me on Instagram because I need. So please follow your sister. Love saying it. I also promote businesses and YouTube channels. I'm sorry, Kamukhala, to get more traffic on your platforms. In the world that we live in right now, mental health and mental stability is so important. This is why I'm about to plug you with Sanare Counseling. They offer online sessions, whether it's individual counseling, grief debriefing, couples counseling, teenage counseling, stress and anxiety, trauma counseling, because we go through a lot, okay? And right now, they currently have a group counseling session where they discuss self-esteem. Self-confidence is based on skills and experience. That's why, Bati, with time, you get the confidence. But we're talking about self-esteem, which is rooted in your self-worth and your values. So sometimes you just need that extra oomph to get you to your next step into the confidence lane. Sanare has got you covered with all of that and more when it comes to realigning, especially guys, as getting back to self and growing self. So don't sleep on their services. I will leave their information in the description box down below. Okay. Now, my colleague has her name in some very wild allegations. Okay? Tudo. No, babe. This can't be you. This can't be you and Esana. So let's get to the beginning of the story. We have all seen and known of Uino. Ino is the queen of putting those posts out on her Instagram. Always looking for girls. Ino is always looking for girls. I'm looking for girls who are beautiful, hot, and want to party. Yeah? I'm looking for girls who are hot, beautiful, to party at this club. She has taken her hustle across the ocean now. Yes, Sana. Allegedly, Uino is looking for girls. She's like any shape or size. You just have to be beautiful, confident, and friendly. Be willing. Be willing to what, Ino? People have been quiet for too long. People don't call you up. Ino, this is rooted directly in human trafficking. No, guys. These are humans that we are playing with. And I am a human resource manager by profession. I can't watch my resources being taken across the water and not call it out. Sana, she's been doing this for years. She's been doing this for years. You guys party, come to party for free. You will pay. Do you know that isn't those mahala? We have batalela. Cheap things are very expensive. You will pay with your body. You will pay with your mind. You will pay by losing everything for these free things. Eh? Just because whether you want to drink 6 bottles of champagne. Now, girls, I'm talking to you as your big sister, as someone who's been in the game for the longest time. Nothing and absolutely nothing is for free. Abafana bayagdala, bayaglala, bayaglahla. Ne? There's nothing for free. And by the time you start working and making your own money, you're going to see that the people you are sleeping with to pay for these things are so cheap. Right now, that savannah will save you. Puzayon. That extreme hunter strike. Puzayon. Nothing is cute at the VIP section. Kuyabhora. Hlala emakhawuchini. Uright laphaya emjivweni phambi kwa DJ uwenza ama-stretch. Uright lapho. Ayikho into emnandi e-VIP. Kuyabhora e-VIP. If uyakhala. If uyakhala uzohola. Ne? Please. Yabona lento ezenziwa bo-inu zimbi. This is very dangerous waters. Guys, I'm sorry. I'm sorry because girls are constantly fixated on this Instagram life, this social media life. They are seeing girls having apartments and cars and beautiful things, and they think, whoa, I also want these. Work, my love, work. And if it's not time yet, it's not time. No matter how many times you open your vagina, if it's not time, it's not time. Every month end you'll be stressed because you're relying on some men to pay your rent. Please don't do that. This is not a good lifestyle. Frustrating, very lonely, very, very hard. Now, allegedly, guys, listen to this part. Listen to the first part, it's very important. But now listen to this part. My colleague, Thuto Maphalala, has been implicated in this allegedly. By what? They say that some of the transactions that have been made while paying these girls, I get about it, they extort men for money. They allegedly go to these things and hook up with these men, and then they allegedly extort these men for money. And then in these transactions, they have found the name of T Maphalala, which has shocked me so much because, guys, I don't see her doing these things. Okay, it's just me and loving her. I don't see her doing these things because, guys, did we not all know that Thuto is originally from a rich family? Like when it comes to affordability, Thuto has no horse in this race of wanting to extort men for money because she comes from money, allegedly. Like she's from a very influential and affluent family, allegedly. But now people are putting two and two together, and even with my blind eye, I have to like open it a bit and be like, because they're like, for someone that is from a very affluent family, she really finds herself with very sketchy men. But I'm like, guys, love is not for everyone. They're like, it's not about love. Like, she wants herself around these rich, wealthy guys. Those ones, big papas, from that one, from the green and whites. She likes to find herself in those circles. I'm like, no, maybe she just has a type. Like, a type of what seems. But you don't know. She was friends with girls that are always mentioned in the very dark circle. I'm like, maybe she just likes a little bit of danger. She just likes that extreme spot. But seems. Seems. Open your eyes. I'm like, I can't. It's too about the bat. Her name has been mentioned in these spaces. Kona manje nayi account number yakhe iyafloat. Sedane sana. Sedumale. Not my Thuto. But it seems like, yes, seems your Thuto. But I don't know, allegedly, so on and so forth. Guys, we will find out as this story unfolds and this drama keeps on happening. But Ino, my sister, me and you, we are age mates. Ino. It's not bullying if it's calling you out, my sweetie. That is too. We about traffic, we about traffic, sister. No. And we are because you get these men, right? And then these men ask you to bring them girls. And then when we are hola, ukutulethela abafana amantombazana, angithi and ufuna abancane. Ufuna bo baby. For iminya mina ngiyakwazela. Ngiphilile kule base zakho sithula sibuke ngoba wena angithi ashayana. And thina yabona ubuso bethu asifuni vele usikutha amabhodlela. And wena ulu ngezandla lo ngamabhodlela. And mina ngenza typo khona manje umuntu wami uzongifundisa jiu-jitsu. So iyothi mayihlanga ngiyadlala ina. I don't want to fight with you. I don't know how to fight. Naki ngwanyana omanala kimeya tlhompehileng sichabeng. Ke motho wa maemo ko diproof. But our OC taking your hustle to overseas. You share bantwana bethu le Ngeke sis. No, never. Masingathula si wrong. Kuzoba ngathi siyayixhasa lento yenzayo. Not when we have platforms to speak. Never. Yey. Imbi le yampilo guys, buzani imbi le yampilo. Yabona lempilo le eyokuthi wena awuna ne1 rand. Mele ugcoke isicebi. Banda. Uyohleka nabobhuti ongazi ukuthi uzokufakela ipilisi or ini aqede ngawo khona lapha. Abo Sensing Sky dala sizizwe idoda dala sizibona. Dala siphunyuka thina. Ngoba thina singamahehevach. Wena awuyazi nokuthi yini kuba ihehevach. Wena bayithatha kamampela. Thina cishe sawo mina ngibulumfante ngenyawo ngenxa yabafana. Yo angifuni don't upset me.